Yeah. Today class name is listener class. Today class name is listener class. I will write the definition listener class. Today concept to listener event listener class in Selenium. Today class concept name is event listener class in Selenium. Very important concept. It is one of the biggest concept. Event listener class in Selenium. What do you mean by event listeners? Event event listener is a concept. Event listener. Event listener is a concept provided by Selenium WebDriver. Event listener is a one of the concept provided by Selenium WebDriver, which is used for automatically doing some operations, automatically doing some operations whenever whenever some operation is performed. Some operations is performed. It's very easy concept. I will explain you. Like navigate back, navigate forward. After click on, before click on, and navigate to. Yes. Event listener is one of the concept provided by Selenium WebDriver, which is used for automatically doing some operations whenever some operation is performed. So automatically it can do the operations. Automatically it can perform the operation. Like okay, just if I use navigate forward, it will come forward. If I use navigate back, it will come back. So we can move whenever you are writing this method. So automatically it can do the operations. Automatically it can do the operations. I will explain you concept too. So first of all, what is event listener? And what are the this methods? Navigate back, navigate forward, after click on, after before click on, navigate to. What are these? Just if you want to know, just go to once Selenium. Type, go to Google, just type download Selenium. Download Selenium. Click on first link, come down. Yeah, we can get to Java device. We can get to Java. We can get to Java device. Here we can get to go Java device. Just click on that. After clicking, we can get one class, that is abstract WebDriver event listener class. Abstract WebDriver event listener class. Just click on that. You can get thousands of methods now. Yes, these are the methods. After change value. After change value is a method. After change value of is a method. This is a description. This is the description. Remaining part is description. Each and every method having own description. Each and every method having own description. Whenever you are writing this method, compulsory we need to write the description. and these methods don't have function body. So you can write your own logic or own body. So these are the methods: after change value of, after click on, after find by, and after navigate back, after navigate forward, after navigate to. These are the methods, very very important methods. Each and every method having own description. This is the description part. So whenever you are writing this method, compulsory we need to write the description also. Okay, this all these all the methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. Okay, these are all methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. So now I want to use these methods. I want to use these methods in listener class. Okay, these are the methods. Here we have thousands of methods. Okay, each and every method having own description. So whenever you are writing the method, so compulsory we need to write the description also. Whenever you are working with real time also, then we can copy and paste. Why? Because here we have thousands of methods and own descriptions. So if you want to remember manually, it's very hard to remember. So that's the reason. So whenever you are working with real time also, we can copy and we can use that functions or methods. So now first of all, I want to create one listener class. In that listener class, I want to write this methods. So how? So just wait 1 second. Right, go to Eclipse first of all. Yesterday I did format. This is the new one. Yeah, first of all I'm going to Eclipse and configure Selenium WebDriver. Okay, this is Eclipse going to open. Just wait. Yes, this is Eclipse. Now we need to configure Selenium WebDriver program. So first of all, go to Project Explorer and take new project, project Java project. Click on next, and giving project name is WebDriver web. And giving project name is web. Click on finish. So this is Eclipse already. I created one project. So if you want to configure, now we need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs. So how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs? Right click, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars. Already have jars on desktop. So select all jars. Click on OK. Now it is Selenium WebDriver. Now it is Selenium WebDriver. Now I'm going to SRC and taking the new class. Class name is listener class. Listener listener class. Listener listener class. I'm taking one listener class. So this is the first step. Only I'm taking only class. Only I'm taking only class.
అఖిల్ ఇంతకుముందు మనం యాడ్ చేసింది లిస్ట్
Now
ఫైల్సా ఇంతకుముందు
I'm writing
ఇప్పుడు జార్ ఫైల్సా?
public
హలో అఖిల్, వినిపిస్తుందా?
void. Okay,
హలో
I want to use these methods.
హలో అఖిల్,
After
వినిపిస్తుందా?
navigate back, after navigate forward.
హలో
I want to use this method. So simply copy and paste here. This is the function name. Function name is after navigate back. Description is WebDriver driver. This is the function. Start the curling bracket and SYSO control space. Akhil, you say back, come back. Right. This is the function I wrote. If you want to increase the size, text size, just go to help, sorry, go to Windows, preferences, general, appearance, color and fonts, go to Java and font size, edit, actually is 10, I'm keeping 18. Click on OK. Apply. Okay. So in WebDriver it is showing import the statements. Right. I want to write another function. Public void. Go and copy paste. After navigate forward. Copy and control V. Paste here. So this is also function. SYSO control space. Akhil. You said forward. Right. I wrote these functions. Now you need to tell these functions are belongs to or these methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. These methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. Now I want to use the methods in listener class. How it is possible? Okay, these are the properties, whatever it is. So these are the methods only. These properties are belongs to abstract WebDriver event to listener methods. So I want to use the methods in listener class. So how? We have one concept. We already discussed one concept, that is inheritance. Inheritance is the one of the concept provided by Java, which is used for extending the parent class properties to child class. Okay, if I want to use that methods, here we can write extends abstract WebDriver event listener, abstract WebDriver event listener, no space, abstract WebDriver event listener. So these are belongs to eh, right, abstract WebDriver event listener methods. So I'm extends. So already I told you, son extends father properties will come to son. Okay, son extends father properties will come son. So here abstract WebDriver is a father class and listener is a son class. So we can change to abstract WebDriver event listener. So we can able to use these methods in listener class. Okay, this is first concept to event listener concept is finished. The inheritance concept is finished. In Java we discussed one concept to what is that? What is the inheritance concept? Inheritance concept
Inheritance.
to
Yes.
finished. Next. Okay, right. Save the. I'm taking another new class. Take the new
అఖిల్ ఒకసారి రన్
class.
ఇది
Class name
ఇది
is
ఇది
mm,
హలో అఖిల్.
mouse. I'm taking
అఖిల్
class name
అఖిల్
is mouse something.
అఖిల్ హలో.
Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. So I want to use that methods in this particular class. How? Now I'm writing WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. This is simple. Class name interface name, reference name equal to new class name. Okay, WebDriver is the interface, WD is a reference name equal to new class name. In the place of class I'm taking Firefox browser. Okay, next. This is next. This is the concept is overriding and interface concept. Overriding and interface concept. Okay, three concepts finished. Next concept, WebDriver WD
హలో
equal to
అఖిల్.
Firefox driver. Next I am writing event firing
అఖిల్
WebDriver.
అఖిల్
Firing WebDriver. Event firing WebDriver. EFWD equal to new event new event firing WebDriver. So okay, event firing WebDriver WD reference. I'm writing WD reference. This is also one of the Java concept already we discussed. What is that concept name? Asrin, tell me.
యా.
We
నా
discussed
నా
one
వాయిస్
concept.
వినిపిస్తుందా మీకు? Hello?
WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver, event firing WebDriver EFWD equal to new event firing WebDriver WD. Already we discussed one
Yeah,
of the
Akhil,
Java
నా వాయిస్
concept.
వినిపిస్తుందా మీకు?
One of the Java concept. What is that concept? I will tell you.
యా అఖిల్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
File writer, FW equal to new file writer FW equal new file writer. Somebody gave message. Who's that? I can't hear you, Asin.
నేను అప్పటి నుంచి
I
అడుగు.
can't hear you.
హలో?
Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me?
ఎస్ ఎస్ ఎస్
Are you hearing me?
ఎస్.
Wait. Uh, okay, wait 1 second. 1 second. It is in line. Okay, no problem.
హలో ఇప్పుడు? హలో హలో
No,
హలో.
I have some.
ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుందా? హలో?
I can't hear you. Okay. Okay, wait. I will change. Wait 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
హలో?
Headphone.
ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుందా?
Now,
హలో?
are you hearing me?
యా,
Asin,
మీకు వినిపిస్తుందా? ఎస్. హలో?
Asin.
హలో?
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Okay, no problem. I will tell you the concept too. After that, you can ask the doubt. Okay, right. Yeah, file writer FW equal to new file writer, buffer writer, BW equal to new buffer writer, FW. So this is also one of the concept we discussed. That concept name is dynamic handling file system concept. So if I use only file writer, data will not write in the file system. So compulsory we need to take the reference of buffer writer. Then only we can write the data into the file system. So whenever you want to write the data, compulsory we need to take the reference of buffer writer. Then only we can write the data into the file system. So in here also same concept too. That is WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver, event firing WebDriver EFWD equal new event firing WebDriver WD. Event firing WebDriver is a event support method. If you want to use that listener methods in this concept, so compulsory we need to take the reference of event firing WebDriver reference. Event firing WebDriver reference. It is a event support method. It is a event support method. So this we don't want to. So this logic came from Java only. Okay, dynamic handling file system concept. Okay, fourth concept also finished. Right. Next. So next. Now I'm creating one listener class. So listener listener L equal to new listener L equal to new listener. Next. Okay, next. EFWD dot register L. So If I want to use that listener class methods, we need to register in EFWD, event firing WebDriver. So if you want to open anything with the reference of EFWD dot get, if you want to open any site, HTTP, I want to open Gmail, Google, google.com. All right. Next, I want to click on Gmail button. So EFWD dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving Gmail button XPath and I'm and click on Gmail button. So right. Next, EFWD dot, okay, navigate back. I'm writing navigate back. It will come back. So it will come to Gmail now. Now I'm writing EFWD dot navigate dot forward. So it will forward to once again Gmail. So if you want to run, just you can run. Before that, we need to give the XPath. WebDriver, change to WebDriver org OpenQA Selenium. Firefox driver, change to org OpenQA Selenium Firefox. Event firing WebDriver. Right. Now take the Google XPath. In the Google Gmail XPath. Yes, I want to take the Gmail XPath. So if we want to take the Gmail XPath, we need to download Firebug and Firepath. Just 1 second. I will download Firebug. Download Firebug. Just click on second link. 1 second. Another version 1.9, 1.9.0. Hello. Right. Firebug is downloaded. Next, Firepath. Download Firepath. Download Firepath. Only it will take 1 second. Within 1 second, we can download Firebug and Firepath. Add to browser. Restart now. I have Firebug and Firepath. Now go to Google and take the XPath of this one. And taking XPath of Gmail. Copy and paste here. Now observe carefully, friends. Save. Now, first of all, it will open Google and it will go to Gmail page and it will come to Google and it will go to Gmail page. Click on run. First of all, it will open Google. It will go to Gmail. It will come to Google. Once again, go to Gmail. So we can get the proof. Yes, Akhil, you said come back. Akhil, you said forward. So we can get the proof. Sir, I don't want this much of concept. So simply I can use, yeah, you can use, but that proof will not come, that proof will not come. If you want proof, you can apply this listener class concept. So without, I don't want anything, simply we can use that, navigate forward and navigate back, yes you can. But this is the concept. Once again I will explain you here what I am doing. First of all, I am creating one listener class. I'm writing two methods with the description also I'm writing. So these methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. So that's the reason extends, I'm writing extends, listener extends, abstract WebDriver event listener. So listener abstract WebDriver listener event, abstract WebDriver event listener properties will come to listener class. So this is finished. Next, I'm taking another new class. So in that I am writing WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver event firing WebDriver EFWD equal to new event firing WebDriver WD. Now I am using listener class. Already I taken one class, that is a listener class. Class name reference name equal new class name, listener equal to new listener. So I want to register in listener class event firing WebDriver. So event firing WebDriver dot register l. So here we will use the only event firing WebDriver reference, and we can invoke the any site, any application. So that's the reason efwd dot get http google.com, it will open Google page. After that efwd dot I'm giving Gmail XPath, and after that come back, it will come back to Google, and once again I click on forward. So automatically it can perform the operations. So I'm not clicking. So automatically whenever you are using this method, automatically it can perform the operation. Automatically it can perform the operation. First already told you definition. It can automatically, it can perform the operations. Automatically it can perform the operation. That is the listener class. Sir, I don't want anything, sir. Just simple, I want to apply this concept. Yes, you can just resist L delete. I don't want event firing WebDriver. Only I'm using only WebDriver. I don't want listener class. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. Simple. wd dot get http google.com, wd dot find element xpath, I'm giving Gmail xpath, and navigate back, it will come back, and navigate forward, it will go forward. So simple, we can use. But here proof will not come, you need to see manually. So here is proof will not come only. Why? Because here listener class, I'm not applying any listener class. Simple, I'm writing, I'm taking one WebDriver, and it will go to Google, and it will click on Gmail, and it will go to come back, and once again it will go to Gmail. Here is no proof. Manually, yes, it is worked. This is listener class. This is the listener class. Very very easy concept, that is listener concept. Nearly we have one method. So the inheritance is the one of the concept finished, and class name reference name equal to new class name, this is the first static properties non-static properties concept finished, and overriding concept finished, and next dynamic only file system concept finished, interface concept also finished. So this is very very important concept, that is event listener class in Selenium. Okay, next concept to mouse movements. After that you can ask the doubts. Yes, next concept to mouse movements. Next concept to mouse movements. Mouse movements in Selenium, we have very excellent concept, that is mouse movements. One of the very very advantage in Selenium, that is mouse movements. What is mouse movements? Just go to one Naukri. Just go to one Naukri.com. I'm going to Naukri, and I'm going to Naukri, and I'm come down, and manually. So this is the Naukri page. I'm go lost. I'm coming back. Lost. Bottom of the page. Bottom of the page. I'm taking one bottom of the page. Web element XPath. I'm taking bottom of the page. One of the web element XPath. I'm taking jobs for you. I'm taking one expert's jobs for you. I'm taking one expert jobs for you, expert. So I'm clicking on manually. I'm doing scroll down manually. I'm scroll down and I gave one web element expert. So after clicking on this expert, what will come? One lady will come with mobile phone. One lady will come with mobile phone. So okay, if I want to take this XPath manually, we need to scroll down and we need to take the XPath. Okay, but whenever you are clicking on this Selenium, it will simple within seconds, fraction of seconds, it scroll down, it will perform the operation. So in that situation, if you want proof, so output is coming or not, you can check it. Save, click on run. Save, click on run. Oh, Google only. Oh, we need to change Naukri.com. Save, click on run. This is one of the advantage in Selenium, mouse movement. Within seconds, fraction of seconds, it will scroll down and it will click. But it will not show you. So we can get the output only. We can get the output only. So we got the output. Okay, this is okay. If we want proof, then we can use that listener concept. So it will show you. If you want to get the output, yes, output is we are getting. But if you want any written proof, it is clicked or not. If you want a written proof, then we can apply listener class. So this is the mouse movement. So this is very advantage in Selenium, that is mouse movements concept. Okay, now I'm coming to Skype, and if you can ask the doubts now. Stop recording.